Leorix, the world's first single platform for all type of real-time data movements. Digital twins have tremendously changed the shape of digital transformation, but there are major unsolvable bottlenecks in the digital system. The main challenges including how to ensure the system is sustainable among these drastically upgrading digital technologies, how to integrate several complex platforms to get more and more accurate decisions, how to ensure real-time performance against the hyperscaling, how to build a digital twin with zero support because we are spending a huge amount on engineering, maintenance, patching, and keep upgrading the system. If this is a school management system software, we don't raise such problems. But this problem rises because there is a massive amount of data movement happening among these applications, IoT sensors, complex systems, and sometimes we may need to communicate with the Skywise platform as well. Most of the time, these movements are not only bounded in a single location, but among various locations as well. There are more than 40,000 sensors in an A350 final assembly line. If we want to build a best-in-class real-time analytics system to tell a story of FAL data, all the sensors must be connected in real time and bring the data to the analytics models in a way the model can understand. How do we do that? How the movements can happen? This looks straightforward, isn't it? But the reality is super complicated. This is the simplified view of the tools and frameworks that need to stitch together to build the data pipelines. Various copies of data, make sure all are secured and all are working together, and once you are done that, you have to make sure they are upgraded, patched, and working with latest hardware. Since there are various tools are involved, that has a higher chance of the security breach, and it tends to lose your most valuable data. Scaling of the system is nearly impossible. All frameworks collectively adding the delay on the whole system. And it is evident that you need to spend on engineering to build the entire system, and also spending a huge amount for the infrastructure to run each and every frameworks. This is terrible. This is a mess. Most of the digital transformations are actually failing because they are stuck on these data pipelines. This is making us difficult to achieve anything in the digital space. This is holding us back from solving of difficult problems. Now you can imagine where we stuck, why we stuck, and what are the root causes for the unsolvable bottlenecks in the digital systems. So I'm going to put our Leorix heads on how we want to solve this. We built Leorix, the world's first platform to handle all the data movements via a single channel. It has a capability of handling more than 1 billion events per second, either read, write, exchange, stream the data among millions of data points and devices. Leorix has the capability of connecting with any protocols, either a single sensor or a massive number of sensors with high-speed streaming data. They can be simply connected with Leorix, and the data can be consumed on other side in preferred patterns, preferred throughputs, and preferred protocols. Leorix can be installed on any infrastructure, so you can access your data via Leorix anywhere regardless of the data centers. Since it's a single platform, real-time performance is at least 100x better than any other such system in the planet. And one more interesting thing from Leorix, we built a self-service analytics dashboard on top of the Leorix platform so that anyone can interactively run their complex analysis through the dashboard. There is an exciting use cases for you. We are building an airplane simulation system to analyze the shocks while the flight is landing. The project has started with 60 sensors and altogether generated around 50,000 messages per second. Because of the Leorix capability, they continue to push their boundaries. Now there are 600 sensors with more than 1 million messages per second with different protocols such as OPZ and MQTT. Along with that, 10 stereo cameras are capturing 3D videos. That is another massive data. Leorix was seamlessly scaled up without any modifications. Find the hidden patterns and meanings of data, create and share interactive and in-depth reports, monitor critical metrics with ease. All these things are only one click away since they have Leorix implemented in their organization. Their analysts easily set alerts to notify them in a different data patterns, performance issues, anomalies, and much more, so they can pay immediate attention to the problem. We guarantee that Leorix will enable the fastest and most secure data movement than never before possible. It will help you to unlock the capability of your data by pushing the boundaries more and more, and enable you to dynamically recalibrating the environment. And your data quality is 100% utilized by your initiatives. By using Leorix, Airbus can twin a blueprint of the entire airplane in real time. That will break the barriers in troubleshooting, disaster recovery, analyzing, and inspection to the whole airline ecosystem. Thank you. Thank you for watching.